everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your nickname on Litmatch. To change your nickname on Litmatch, first of all, open the Litmatch application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now you need to go to your profile section. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Under settings, you can see the second option, edit profile. Tap on edit profile. Now here you can see your various profile informations. We are going to change the nickname, so tap on your nickname. Now tap in this box and edit your name that you want to have on your Litmatch. And then tap on done button in the top right corner. On this page, again tap on done button on the top right corner. And that's it, your nickname will be changed. You can go back to your profile and see that your nickname has been changed. So this is how you can change your nickname on Litmatch. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.